Hey guys, welcome back to Eat Green Delights Kitchen. Today we are in Louisa's kitchen, the founder of Eat Green Delights. We're going to learn how to make ricotta, homemade ricotta. You need just simple ingredients. Everybody has those ingredients in their house. You're gonna stop to buy ricotta in the stores. Trust me, it's creamy, it's amazing, this ricotta. It's absolutely good, absolutely good. So it just takes a few steps. Come with us. I'm gonna show you the procedure. Louisa, she's gonna do it because she's the one that she has more experience on this type of thing, and we definitely gonna show you what comes out, and hopefully you guys going to try it at home. Okay, let's start right away. Okay, Louisa, so tell us, what did you put in the pot? So we have a pot here on the stove, and Louisa, she's gonna go step by step. She's gonna tell you what we basically put in this pot. Go ahead.
Okay, so we got 2 liters of 3.25 milk and 2 cups of 35% whipped cream. And then I put 1 gram of kosher salt, which you can even use 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, so now we just have to wait for this beauty to boil. One thing though, I double my portion just because we're gonna need ricotta tomorrow. We're gonna need 2 portions for our stuffing, our homemade cannolis. But you can just kind of split the ingredients. So instead of using 2 liters, you just use 1 liter, and instead of using 2 cups of 35% cream, you use 1, and instead of using 1 gram of kosher salt, you use 0.5 kosher salt.
Okay,
so now we just have to wait to boil.
Okay. Hey, so Louisa, what's happening? Like, are you stirring or you just waiting that the milk gets hot?
I don't know. Once in a while you come back, you start, you kind of take a look at it, how beautiful she is, you know, and how she's coming about. So once it boils though, so you see the steam coming through?
Yeah.
So once it's going to start to boil, then we can just go to the next step and the last step, which we're going to add about 6 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Oh, 6 tablespoons? Wow. Yes. Okay.
So in that case, again, if you decide to do half the ingredients instead of 6, you're just going to put 3.
Okay. All right.
Which is about 2 lemons for 6 tablespoons.
Good. All right. And that's
beautiful. It? Yes. Look how
wow, that's amazing. I didn't know that it takes so little to take ricotta. And usually, like when you buy ricotta at the store, like costs what? $6, $7 a pan.
Yeah, this doesn't cost anything.
And wow. Okay. All right. So you're gonna add now the lemon?
Yeah, I still have to kind of boil a bit more.
Okay.
And then we can come back and just add the lemon, and then we're going to see how magic is going to happen.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, so what's happening now? Oh.
So it's boiling.
Okay.
So before we make a disaster and it's all coming out like a volcano, I just kind of made.
You just want to move the.
Yeah, just a little bit, because you see all the.
Yeah, the foam.
The foam is coming through.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have it cool off for a second. Keep turning. Maybe you can even lower the temperature, because I had the temperature medium high.
Okay.
So we're just gonna lower it up a bit. Just want that foam to go a little bit down. You see those bubbles?
Yeah.
Mince is ready to get some lemon juice.
All right.
Now I'm going to put the lemon, and ta-da!
Okay.
Now we're going to wait for about 3 minutes before we actually start it in cheesecloth.
Okay. So we need cheesecloth too, of course, to do this procedure.
So don't forget, cheesecloth is very easy to find. It's in every grocery store, and it's very affordable. Okay. So look at that. Did you see how it's coming?
Yeah, it's curling up.
So cute. You'll notice how you're doing something good is because you see how the milk is coming yellow? It's coming yellow. Okay. So it's a good sign.
All right. So how long has to be on the stove right now?
So it's about 3 minutes, right? So we We put the lemon juice in at about at 2:13 in the afternoon, right?
Yeah.
And we just have to remove it when it's going to be 2:16. Okay. So we have another minute to go. Ah, look how cute she is. Getting all excited. Become ricotta cheese.
Alright.
Me too. Throw it out. So I already prepared my strainer with the cheesecloth. Please don't be stingy on the cheesecloth. Put at least 2 sheets. And then we're just going to throw it out.
So we're gonna wait a bit. Oh yeah. Okay, let's wait for a little longer.
Yeah, no, it's coming. Look, it's going through. I just have a bit more left.
Sounds good.
All right, so she's all good to go. So from the sink, I transfer it still in the strainer with the cheesecloth. You see, this is the strainer. I put it in a bowl. So because it still has to drain some left out milk that we don't need. I know we're about to wait like a good hour. So we'll be back around 3:30. And then we're going to scrape everything off. And we're going to put in a nice bowl to put it in the fridge.
Sounds great. As you guys notice, the ricotta is actually getting dry from the sides right here. So it means that all the liquid, all the excess of the milk is still dripping down the bowl. So we're still gonna give few, like pretty much another 45 minutes maybe, and then it's gonna be ready. So guys, today we learned how to make ricotta. It was very easy, it was very simple, and trust me, I tried it once. It's so creamy, definitely better than the one that we buy in the store. Please guys, just share this video with friends and family, hit the notification button. So definitely we're gonna use this ricotta tomorrow to fill it up our homemade. One thing I know is that this ricotta, since it's like homemade, can be in the fridge just for like 3 days. Not more than 3 days. But for now guys, I let you go and I'll see you next time. Bye.